So do you have any tips to stay cool this summer?
I sure do. It's 99 degrees and humid here in Baltimore, and I'm schmoiling. Tip number 1, don't wear black. I've been in the office all day. Don't wear black if you're going to be outside. Wear light colors because the sun will reflect off light colors. Wear light materials, breathable materials, cotton. There's those viscose breathable materials, nothing synthetic and sweat inducing. It's really important to keep your hair off your neck because like hair sticks and gets all yucky. I find if I fold my scarves and they actually like kind of like drapes down a little at the back, then it covers my neck and like the breeze is really nice and floaty, and it just doesn't make my neck burn, which is really, really good. I always wear sunscreen on my face. I sometimes like wear those really geeky sun visor things. We should probably come up with something better looking than that. I've heard some crazy tips of putting your shaper in the freezer when it's wet, or even sticking an ice pack into your tichel. It works. It really, really works. Also, really most importantly, don't wrap too tight. If you wrap too tight, then that's literally trapping the sweat inside your head. All these tips go for clothing as well. If you want to cover up, wear loose, floaty, light materials, which is actually going to burn you much less than the sun's going to burn your skin. I think that's all. Those are my last tips.